Hi everyone. In this video we are going to discuss about aggregate fruits and composite fruits. Aggregate fruits, they develop from a flower having apocarpus multicarpellary gynoecium. In that gynoecium, each carpel develops into a fruitlet and all fruitlets together form an aggregate fruit. They are simultaneously mature. These aggregate fruits are also called heterio. Aggregate fruits are broadly classified into 5 different types, such as number 1, heterio of achenes, example strawberry, ranunculus. Number 2, heterio of drupes, example blackberry and rubus. Number 3, heterio of follicle, example Michaelia calotropis. Number 4, heterio of berries, example custard apple, Horta botrytis. Number 5, heterio of samara, example Elianthus. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of annona. So see in annona or custard apple how the aggregate fruit is formed. All the fruitlets which are developed from apocarpus ovary, so they develops into fruitlets all together, all to aggregate and forms an aggregate fruit. It is an example of aggregate fruit of berry or heterio of berry. The next one, composite or multiple fruits. Composite or multiple fruits develops from entire inflorescence. That's why these are technically called false fruits. So these composite or multiple fruits are again classified into 2 types, sorosis, syconus. Number 1, sorosis. In this type, fruit develop from entire spike or catkin inflorescence. Examples, pineapple and jackfruit developed from entire spike inflorescence. Mulberry developed from entire catkin inflorescence. Number 2, syconus. In this type, composite fruit develops from the inflorescence of hypanthodium. Example, fig fruit of banyan tree. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of composite fruits, both sorosis and syconus. Coming to sorosis, seen in ananas or pineapple. In pineapple, composite fruit formed from the entire spike inflorescence. Coming to syconus, fig fruit. In this, entire hypanthodium inflorescence develops into composite fruit. Generally, composite fruits are 2 fruits, but technically we call false fruits. Why? Because here not only ovary, the entire inflorescence is developed into fruit. Points of remember about fruit, which means some other extra information about fruit. Lychee. In lychee, chinensis, the edible part is fleshy structural aril. The latter is considered to be additional integument of the ovule that develops from the funicles of the ovule. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of the fruit lychee. Schizocarpic fruits. Schizocarpic fruits are intermediate type between dehiscent fruits capsular and indehiscent fruits acinals. It breaks into a number of dehiscent pieces at maturity. These schizocarpic fruits are of 5 types. Number 1, lumentum. Number 2, cremocarp. Number 3, compound samara. Number 4, carcerulus. Number 5, regma. Lumentum. In this type, fruit is constricted in between the seeds. It is of 2 types. Number 1, lumentaceous pod, example acacia and groundnut. Number 2, lumentaceous siliqua, example radish. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of lumentum, particularly lumentaceous pod in groundnut. Check the diagram carefully. Cremocarp. Cremocarp fruit develops from bicarpellary and inferior ovary fruits, splits into indehiscent one-seeded mericarps. Example, coriander. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of cremocarp in coriander. So in the diagram, the second peak shows the transfer section of cremocarpic fruit in coriander. Compound samara or double samara. It is look like samara fruit, but at maturity it splits into two samara. Example, acer and dodonia. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of double samara in acer, how at maturity fruit splits into two samara or two mericarps. Check the diagram carefully. The next type of schizocarpic fruit is carcerulus. In this type, fruit develops from bi or multicarpellary superior ovary. After maturity, fruit splits into four or more indehiscent parts. Example, ocimum, abutilon and salvia. Let's see the diagrammatic representation of carcerulus in hollyhock. Check the diagram carefully. The fifth one, regma. It is a dry schizocarpic fruit developed from tricarpellary syncarpous superior ovary. In this, fruit splits into three one-seeded bits at maturity. Example, resinous, castor. Let's check the diagrammatic representation of regma fruit in castor. Check the diagram carefully. Up to here we completed the fruit. In next video I will explain you about seeds. Thank you very much.